Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use Chrome Split View on your laptop. For example, here you see I have split views on this side. This is my Facebook. You see over here, and on this side, I have opened Gmail, and I can increase and decrease the size of one view and the other view by dragging it like this. And I use both of them on the same page, so I can work with this one. I can open my emails from here and I can view them by dragging it like this, and I can increase this like this to watch all of them. And similarly, on the same view, I can drag my Facebook page to go through my posts. So I will let you know how to use the split view of Chrome on your laptop. Quite easy. So I begin from here. Now I am on my, this is my Facebook page and this is my Gmail, and I want to put the two of these tabs on a split view so that both are visible on my screen. I right click on one of these tabs, and on this menu you see here I have new split view with current tab. If I click on it, it will put the two on the split view. You see now I have the same thing, the two different tabs open on the same screen, and you can play with this to increase or decrease the size like I said before. And if you are not happy with that, you can again put that on separate view by right clicking on any of these two tabs and coming arrange split view, and the next menu is separate view, close left view, close right view. You can close or you can split them or you can reverse view. So I just click on separate views, and if I do this, I'm back on the separate view tabs. So again, the two tabs are now separated. So this way you can visualize two tabs on your laptop screen in Chrome. And thanks for watching.